butterflies, I am back with Plan With Me's. It is a new year. I have new goals. I want to make videos. I have missed it. There's so much to talk about. Like, if you didn't watch Vlogmas, if you just only watch my Plan With Me's, then there is a ton to talk about. So we will do that here in a second. But I want to show you that I literally have not planned in months. It's my last spread, and I didn't even fill it in. This was at like a planner meetup, but the last time, the last time I filled in my planner, was before school, right after school started. So I have been a bad planner. But let's get this started. I am using the Bundle Up kit from my shop. You'll notice the new washi is longer. That way it kind of can go with anything. Or if you're like me, I kind of like just to cover that anyways. The newer kits are slightly different also. I don't have a personal size anymore. I'm trying to streamline things, as you'll see why in a second. There's this page and all these, and then these. So I am going to grab my pages. You just have to bear with me with planning on camera if stuff gets put wrong or is slightly out, because I am out of practice. I need to make sure. No, I don't. Okay. Sorry. See? Doing it already. So, this last fall, started a new job as a special education teaching assistant. I was a one-on-one aide for a very sweet little girl who I already miss tremendously. And that is so not even. We need to go over a little bit. Sorry. It's really hard for me to plan or put down stickers and talk. So this is going to be a struggle because I'm out of practice. So I was doing that, and that was just a lot of mental. I loved every second of it. I'm going to tell you that right there now. But it was very mentally draining, and I was stressing out over money because I was getting paid basically nothing. I was barely getting my bills covered. So, I'll just be honest, I was making $12 an hour, which is nothing. So, I was just having a hard time with that and trying to pay my bills and do all that stuff. So, I was just very stressed. I was applying to jobs. I got my teaching credential moved over from California to here in Oklahoma. And so that was, I don't really like using these on here. I like just covering up that, which I know is a little weird, but it's what I've been doing. So I do need scissors after all. That's why I was thinking about it. Okay, so I applied to jobs within the district that I'm working for in history, and I was getting nothing. Like, I had interviews, and I was just like, what the heck is going on? Well, then a job at the school that I'm working at came up, but it was for science, and I'm 8th grade science. Not hard, but it's not, one, my passion, and two, it's not, my set, my skill set. like I can do it. I've done 7th grade science before, so it's not like, oh my gosh, I don't know what the freak I'm doing kind of stuff, but it is different. So after talking to a couple of my teacher friends that work there and I would be working with, I got convinced to apply and I got hired. So I am now an 8th grade science teacher. It started officially this last Wednesday, so that was very exciting. So far, it's going well, knock on wood, that it continues to do that. And yeah, so I've just been doing a lot of stuff for that. I basically didn't get much of a holiday break because I was getting into my classroom. I'm hoping to have like a classroom video. I did some like showing of before and after, but I'm still working. It's still a work in progress, so it's probably gonna be a month or so because I want it to look a little bit more put together than it does right now. So there is that. Why am I losing my voice? This is so weird. So that's what's been going on with me. It's been crazy, and that's okay because that's life, right? Life is crazy. And then, yeah, so I technically haven't signed a contract yet, which scares me because I'm like, what if something happens and I don't get paid for the days that I'm working? But I will. It'll happen. So, anyways, oops. What else was I going to say? I'm just going to stagger my full boxes here just to make it a little different than what I did last week. I think I like what I did last week, but just be a little different. So yeah, that's what's been going on. I made a New Year's resolution goal for myself that I would get a little bit ahead with designing, so I need to start doing that. I was hoping to have more time during my break, but I didn't. I had to like go get, they want me to take the science test to get certified in that officially, so I went and did that and was studying for that, and then I've just been on survival mode. But my goal ultimately, and I think more teachers need to do this, and then maybe they wouldn't expect so much of us, is that I really want to focus on working just my contract hours. So if I'm contracted to work from 8 to 4:30, that at 4:30 I walk out, and on the weekends I do not look at stuff. Maybe I check my email in case a student asks me a question or something like that. But for the most part, I would like, I don't want to spend hours lesson planning. I don't want to do any of that kind of stuff. I just want my work time to be work and my home time to be home. Because so many other people's jobs, they get that luxury. And I feel like teachers are just expected to give up their weekends and to spend so much time. And I'm just like, no, it's not happening. Where is my weekend banner? As I say, and it's in my hand. So that's what's been going on with me and my goals. I have January's stuff, so there's a matching, that is probably darn it, I think I was going to put this one second. It doesn't matter. I'll make the January one second. I have the matching kit. It's for, I went back to doing monthly specific. If ever there is a kit that you would like but want a different month, just message me and I can change it really fast. No extra charge. So here is the Happy Planner one, and then there's also just the standard one, which is for Erin Condren. There's also February, and there's a matching kit for that one. And then I made March, and that one is up also. So the first 3 months are up. They are not year specific, so that is a cool thing. And let's get into planning my week. So I work Monday through Friday. I don't have anything super planned. So let's, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm going to use my sleep in sticker for Saturday. I know there's a basketball game. Hold on. Yes, I can do that. So sleep in on Saturday. I might be going back and forth. I did not write anything down, and I left stickers over there. This is crazy. Okay, I pulled stickers for myself. In this pile. Okay, so I pulled some stickers for myself earlier. These ones are from Stormy Creatives. She's a good friend of mine, and another good friend of mine is Bella Sticker Co. Armenia is a wonderful person. They're both so helpful. Stormy Creatives helped me get, and some other lovely ladies, get set up to do, what do you call it? Brain's not working. To sell on Amazon. So I actually, if you ever look, I sell on Amazon Handmade also, which is really cool. That was the other thing where I spent a lot of my time was getting that set up, because it's really cool. I can just send them a bunch of stuff, and then I kind of get to forget about it, and they handle everything. So that is nice. Okay, it's definitely laundry day, but before that, I want to put this, there's 2 basketball games, so I'm gonna put, actually I'm gonna push it down here like that, and then I'll put this one there. So sleep in, laundry, and then I'll put the basketball game there, and then leave this open for whatever. Sunday, I don't have any plans as of yet. It is going to be a 3-day weekend, which will be nice because we only had 2 days teaching last week. We'll have a full week, and then we'll get a 3-day weekend. So it's kind of like getting eased into it, which is really nice. I do need to put here that I need to be at work early because I have a 7 o'clock meeting. So which one do I want to use? This color, so let's use this one. We have staff meeting, and we have to be there at 7:55, so I usually get there at 8, so I need to get there earlier. Trash day. Let's see, what else? Is there anything else I can put on here? Not that I can really see right now. I'm going to put a couple of checklists down throughout the week. I like just having them as a kind of like backup for me. They can be for like a couple days worth, so not just specific to that day. I find it's easier, and then I don't overload myself, and then I don't beat myself up when I don't get everything done on the... Okay, sorry if that was abrupt. My phone, which I'm using to record with, ran out of memory. I don't know. It's just crazy because we're almost done. So eventually all these will get covered with things. Oh, I was putting down to-do list. That's what I was doing. And then I'll do the one here. Actually, I think I'm going to do it here on Sunday. And if I need to, I can add one there. Actually, I'm just gonna do one there. Because why the frick not, right? I can always take it off if it doesn't work and cover it up. Okay. Whew. So there's that. Let's do a sidebar. I do love tracking my meals. It helps me know when I have eaten something, obviously, but like to track how often I eat something. Okay, hold on. I want to get a piece of washi for this. I'm just going to justify everything to the left and just leave that like it is. It's just easier than trying to center it. It just doesn't happen if I do it that way. And then there's just a little bit of a box, so I don't know. I'm not going to use the big long one on this one, but I am going to use the last full box. There's this little tree when it's snowing. And, oops, that is not on correct. Okay, so here it is before the pen. I will show you on Instagram the butterfly planner, or at the butterfly planner for what it looks like later. This is what this last week is looking at. This is a kit from Planning Roses. You may have just seen a daisy. She's sitting there staring at me right now. She's so cute. And yeah, so that's that. Look out for some more videos. They'll getting ready to plan a couple monthly view ones. If you want this kit, it is available in the shop. If you want to stay up on what's going on, make sure you are a newsletter subscriber, and all new people will get a 15% off coupon code. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I am glad to be back. This was fun. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.